area and perimeter. Let's learn what is an area. The measurement of a surface recorded using square units. So when we say square units, it is over here 1 centimeter on all the four sides. This is called as a square unit. So this is 1 square centimeter. If the same thing is 1 meter, then it is said to be 1 square meter. So the units to measure the area is square centimeter or square meter. This is because we already know that the area is length into breadth. So if the length is 1 centimeter and breadth is also 1 centimeter, then the area would be 1 square centimeter. Or if the length and breadth are 1 meter, so 1 meter into 1 meter will give me 1 square meter or 1 meter square. Perimeter. The distance around the outside of a 2D shape recorded using units of length. Over here, when I look at this, perimeter is the distance around the shape, which is a rectangle over here. We know that 1 square is 1 centimeter over here. So over here the length would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4 centimeter. So of a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, so this would also be 4 centimeter. Similarly, the breadth over here is 2 centimeter because each square represents 1 centimeter to one side of it. So this is 2 centimeter. Now how do we find the perimeter? We know that perimeter is the length of all the four sides. So it would be 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. That is 10 centimeter. The units to measure perimeter is centimeter, or any units we use to measure the length. It would be centimeter, millimeter or the meter. Now, how do you find the area of this shape? So we know that the area is length into breadth, or we can even count how many squares are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area of this rectangle is 8 centimeter square or 8 square centimeter. But how do you find using this formula? So area is length, which is 4 centimeter, into breadth, which is 2 centimeter, giving me 8 square centimeter or even centimeter square, which is the unit of area. Let's investigate. Each of these 5 tiles is square and has an area of 16 centimeter square. Find the ways to arrange them so that the total shape has a perimeter of 40 centimeters. Over here we have 5 square tiles. So we already know the area is 16 centimeter squares. So what do you think each side would be? So the each side would be 4 centimeter, which makes the area of each square tile to be 16 square centimeter. Now we need to arrange these 5 tiles so that we have a perimeter of 40 centimeters. This is one of the way of arranging the tiles so that we get the perimeter of 40 centimeters. Let's check this out. There are different ways to work it out in different ways by arranging the tiles so that you have a perimeter of 40 centimeters. So let's do it over here. We have 10 fourths, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 tens are giving me 40. Question 1. This pattern is made starting with a square that is 2 centimeter wide. So we know that this square is 2 centimeter wide. And by drawing square 2 centimeter wider than the last, complete the table to show the visible area of each color. Visualize or draw the fourth pattern. So first, second and third pattern is already done for you. Let's check this up. We know that the area of this yellow is 2 into 2, that is 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter gives me 4 centimeters square. So in the first pattern we don't have any blue area, so it is 0 centimeters. We know that this square over here, which is the yellow area, is also 4 centimeters squared. When you just observe the first one, because you can see that this would be 2 centimeter on one side. So what is the area of the blue? So we know that it has been increased by 2 centimeter. So this would be 4 centimeter and this would be 4 centimeter. But they have asked to find the visible blue area. So how do you find it out? One of the way is, first we need to find the area of the whole blue square, that is 4 into 4, 16 centimeter square, minus the yellow area, that is 4 centimeter square, giving me 12 centimeter square. Now we can even find it out by arranging the squares over here and count the number of squares too, or use the square units to arrange it along the blue path and find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 squares, making it 12 centimeter squares as area. Do work out for the third and also do work out for the fourth one. And check with your answers over here. Question 2. On this map, each square is 1 kilometer square. Use the squares to estimate the area of the forest, lake, the whole island, including the forest and the lake. The whole island over here indicates it includes the forest and the lake. The forest. We know that the forest is being shaded with dark green color. How do we count? So, if the area covered over here is more than half, we need to round it up to 1 kilometer square. So, we see that this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because it is more than half, 12, and this is 13, and this would be 14. Combining all these would be 15 kilometer square approximately. So now lake is shaded in blue color, which is this part. So let's find the area. It is 1, 2 and approximately 3 kilometer square. The next one is the island, which is the green part which is shaded in light green and which includes both the forest and the lake. Find the area of all these leaving the sea. Question number 3. Please work out the perimeter of all the rectangles by measuring two of its sides to nearest millimeter.